Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all the tech enthusiasts out there. We'll be counting down the top 5 motherboards of 2023 with exceptional value for your money. So, if you're in the market for a new motherboard, you've come to the right place. We've carefully curated a list of the top 5 motherboards that offer the best bang for your buck in 2023. Let's dive right in. The Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming is a top-tier motherboard that offers exceptional performance and robust build quality at an affordable price. Powered by the AMD B550 chipset, this motherboard supports the latest AMD Ryzen processors, providing you with powerful computing capabilities for gaming, content creation, and more. Featuring an advanced power delivery system with high-quality components, the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming ensures stable and efficient power delivery to your CPU, maximizing its performance potential. It also boasts a comprehensive cooling solution with heatsinks, heat pipes, and fan headers, keeping your system cool under intense workloads or extended gaming sessions. In terms of connectivity, this motherboard offers a wide range of options. It includes multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C, enabling fast data transfer speeds. The onboard Wi-Fi 6 module provides fast and reliable wireless connectivity, while the Gigabit Ethernet port ensures a stable and lag-free online gaming experience. The B550F also excels in the audio department. It features high-definition audio with premium capacitors and audio shielding, delivering immersive and crystal-clear sound for your games, movies, and music. With its sleek design and customizable RGB lighting, this motherboard not only performs exceptionally but also adds a touch of style to your gaming rig. Its extensive compatibility with various components and expansion slots allows you to future-proof your system and easily upgrade as needed. The MSI MPG X570 Gaming Plus is a feature-packed motherboard that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Built on the AMD X570 chipset, it supports the latest AMD Ryzen processors, providing you with unmatched performance and responsiveness. Designed with gamers in mind, the X570 offers excellent gaming features. It supports PCIe 4.0, allowing for faster data transfer speeds and providing a performance boost to your graphics card and NVMe SSDs. The motherboard also includes M.2 slots with MSI's M.2 Shield Frozer, which keeps your high-speed storage devices cool and prevents thermal throttling. To enhance your gaming experience, the motherboard features MSI Mystic Light RGB lighting, allowing you to customize the lighting effects to match your style. The onboard audio solution delivers high-fidelity sound with studio-grade audio components, ensuring an immersive and accurate audio experience. Connectivity-wise, the X570 offers a wide range of options. It includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, both Type A and Type C, for high-speed data transfer. The motherboard also features Gigabit Ethernet, ensuring a stable and lag-free online gaming experience. With its robust build quality and advanced cooling features, including extended heatsinks and multiple fan headers, this motherboard provides excellent thermal performance, even under heavy workloads. Additionally, the user-friendly BIOS interface makes it easy to tweak settings and optimize your system's performance. Overall, the X570 is a standout choice for both beginner and advanced users who seek top-notch performance, reliability, and easy customization options for their gaming setups. The Gigabyte B450 Aorus Elite is a budget-friendly motherboard that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Designed for AMD Ryzen processors, it offers a reliable and efficient platform for both gaming and productivity tasks. Power delivery system with solid capacitors and MOSFETs, ensuring stable power delivery to your CPU even during demanding tasks. It also incorporates advanced thermal design with heatsinks and thermal pads, effectively dissipating heat and keeping your system cool under heavy loads. In terms of expansion and connectivity, the Gigabyte B450 offers a range of options. It includes multiple PCIe slots, allowing you to install additional graphics cards, sound cards, or other expansion cards. The M.2 slot provides high-speed storage options, while SATA ports offer connectivity for traditional hard drives and SSDs. The motherboard also features Gigabit Ethernet and USB 3.1 ports, providing fast and reliable data transfer capabilities. Additionally, it supports dual-channel DDR4 memory, allowing you to maximize system performance by utilizing high-speed RAM modules. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end motherboards, the Gigabyte B450 still provides a solid foundation for building a reliable and capable system. It strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious users who don't want to compromise on quality. The ASRock B550 Phantom Gaming 4 is a value-packed motherboard that offers impressive features and performance without breaking the bank. Powered by the AMD B550 chipset, it provides excellent compatibility with the latest AMD Ryzen processors. Equipped with a 10-phase power design and premium capacitors, the B550 delivers stable and efficient power delivery to your CPU, ensuring optimal performance even under heavy workloads. It also features a comprehensive cooling solution with a large heatsink and multiple fan headers, effectively dissipating heat and maintaining system temperatures. The motherboard supports PCIe 4.0, allowing for faster data transfer speeds and enabling the use of high-performance graphics cards and NVMe SSDs. It also provides multiple M.2 slots with heatsinks to prevent thermal throttling, ensuring that your storage devices can operate at their full potential. Connectivity-wise, the B550 offers a range of options. It includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, both Type A and Type C, for high-speed data transfer. The onboard Gigabit Ethernet provides a stable and reliable network connection, while the onboard audio solution delivers high-quality sound for an immersive audio experience. With its sleek and modern design, the B550 adds an aesthetic touch to your build. The motherboard's intuitive BIOS interface allows for easy customization and system optimization, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply in need of a reliable and feature-rich motherboard, the ASRock B550 offers excellent value for its price, making it a worthy choice for your next system build. The MSI Mag B560M Mortar Wi-Fi is a compact yet powerful micro ATX motherboard that provides exceptional performance and a wide range of features. Designed for Intel 11th generation processors, it offers an excellent foundation for gaming, content creation, and everyday computing tasks. The motherboard features an advanced power delivery system with high-quality components, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery to your CPU. It also incorporates an advanced thermal design with heatsinks and multiple fan headers, keeping your system cool and operating at optimal temperatures. With support for PCIe 4.0, the B560M enables high-speed data transfer and offers compatibility with the latest graphics cards and NVMe SSDs. This allows you to take full advantage of the latest hardware advancements and enjoy blazing fast gaming and storage performance. Connectivity is a strong suit of the B560M. It features built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, providing fast and reliable wireless connectivity for seamless online gaming and streaming. The motherboard also offers a variety of USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C, ensuring high-speed data transfer and compatibility with a wide range of peripherals. In terms of audio, this motherboard doesn't disappoint. Equipped with high-quality audio components and MSI's Audio Boost technology, it delivers immersive and crystal-clear sound reproduction for an enhanced gaming and entertainment experience. Despite its compact size, the B560M doesn't compromise on expandability. It offers multiple expansion slots, including PCIe X16 and PCIe X1 slots, allowing you to add dedicated graphics cards, sound cards, or other expansion cards as needed. The motherboard also supports dual-channel DDR4 memory, enabling you to maximize system performance by utilizing high-speed RAM modules. With its sleek and stylish design, the B560M is sure to complement any build. It features customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to personalize the look of your system and create stunning visual effects. Overall, the B560M is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact yet powerful motherboard with advanced features. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, this motherboard provides a solid foundation for your system while offering great value for your money. There you have it, our top 5 motherboards of 2023 that offer outstanding value for your money. We hope this list helps you make an informed decision when choosing your next motherboard. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to each product mentioned in this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching.